In our last episode we had a hard time fixing our broken generator, but at least we found ourselves in the beautiful lagoon of Bozburun, Turkey. This time it's an emotional goodbye from our friends on SV Mindset, and then we set sail on a beautiful crossing from Turkey to Greece.
We are in Greece.
In 2022 we sold our house and quit our job to sail around the world. We started in Cyprus and then moved north to Turkey, where we are exploring the south coast. Follow our journey around the world as we slowly keep on moving westwards. Super, we are here in the next anchorage, Dirsek, between Bozburun and To Selimiye. So we decided to take the dinghy for a little tour, and in this corner it seems really clear water, nice for snorkeling. We'll have a look. Such a calm morning as well. The only thing is there's not that much sun, but still the colors are amazing. Yeah. Very nice, okay. Time to look down. After a great snorkeling session here and 2 really relaxing nights, it was time to move on to the next spot, Selimiye. It was quite a grey morning with even some drizzle here and there, but we actually really enjoyed the trip because the sea and the atmosphere were just so extremely calm and the scenery beautiful. Good morning. We're motoring our way over from Dirsek, Koyu to Selimiye. Beautiful mountains, super green. It's very nice. Super peaceful. I can smell them even. But a bit rainy. We really don't mind it though, of course not. It's beautiful. And there we are, entering Symi. A little bit busy and crowded. Try and find a good spot. We'll let you know in a bit, I suppose. And there we are in Selimiye. Opted for the north side shoreline anchorage in the end. Bit busy next to the town. Very nice here. Now wait till the sun comes out, which could be tomorrow only. Bit more rain today. but I think good for a while to get into town. With a clean dinghy. Good work. Nice, nice water too. Right, there you go, we made it to Selimiye. Took a while before we found the right spot. The anchorage in front of town was full, so we went to the north of the bay in the end, and with shorelines, which is really nice. Went to the town in the afternoon just to walk with Lily, do some shopping. Nothing too exciting to film, and it's been a bit cloudy, but fine. I have some nice neighbors, new neighbors again. Beautiful. That's it. See what tomorrow brings. And well, the next couple days were just really enjoyable, with the kids on both boats playing together a lot, and us as parents talking about our sailing plans and business adventures. But then it came time to say goodbye. Well, there you go. Time to leave our German friends behind. The mindset family, we'll call them. Has been amazing. He's helping us with the lines, and we'll be off back to Bozburun and then to Greece tomorrow. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, maybe. Right, on the way to find some fuel from Selimiye, from leaving our friends behind. Yeah, that's not easy at all. It was so good together. The kids got on so well, and the parents the same, to be honest. But we have to leave Turkey, and they have to stay in Turkey. So, long story, I'll save you the details. We're on to Oraniye to try and find some diesel, much cheaper in Turkey compared to Greece, where we hope to enter tomorrow. So let's see, hopefully we find some here. They're not picking up the phone. Hopefully they answer the radio or give us some fuel. That would be nice. We're about to find out. Yeah, eh? Perfect, fueling completed. Off we go to Bozburun. This was super easy and quick, very nice, and much cheaper than in Greece. Happy? Super, and just like that we are leaving Oraniye behind. Full tanks of fuel. It was 20 lira per liter, so that works out as like 98 cents or something. Which is really good. In Greece, I looked it up, was 156, so on 300 liters that's like 150 euro discount, right? Probably more, so I'm very happy with that. So go to Bozburun, check out, and then tomorrow into Greece in Symi. Crazy. But right now the overwhelming feeling is missing the mindset family. That's really tough. A whole month we were together, it was just amazing. We had issues with the generator, didn't even affect us. We were just happy to be with friends and enjoying, and had someone come to fix it. Yes, cost a fair bit of money, but you're with friends, it really doesn't matter anymore. That was really nice. So yeah, mindset family, we'll hope to see you soon. In the meantime, we'll have to look for another family and more kids. I'm sure we'll find them. Right, and we are set up again, settled with new shorelines in Bozburun. Time for a swim. Prep the last things for Greece tomorrow, I guess, if there's anything more to do. Not much. Just check out in the morning and that's it. Today we can enjoy. Super easy. Checkout is done. We used an agent, €75. Very nice, very polite, very helpful. But there were no questions, no issues. Kind of. There shouldn't be. Anyway, right? So it was fast. Did some shopping as well, and we are ready for the big crossing. 2 hours to Symi. But it feels exciting. Next country. That's amazing. The third one. Cyprus, Turkey, and Greece. So this is a pretty cool moment. We're turning around the last bit of headland of Turkey, and then we can see Symi appear behind it, Greece, where we're going to. Amazing. Very nice. Hoping for southerly winds to bring us along and not dead headwinds. It depends. Early morning it was good, later in the day it's gonna change to head. Actually it looks like it's still very flat, we'll see. But look at this. So that's Symi over there. That's crazy, it looks completely flat like a mirror over there. So 0 wind. Motoring trip again. Motorterranean, yep. So there you go. Turkey right behind us and Greece in front of us. Beautiful. We're somewhere in the middle now between the two places. Yeah. It's really not far. 5 miles to go still, so 1 hour, because we're doing 5 miles, 5 knots on one engine. Fine. Very light wind, nothing really, like 3 knots headwind, which is also okay. Crazy. With our own boat in Greece, exploring the Greek islands this summer. Can you believe it? I love it. But Turkey was also amazing. Really cool, met so many good people. Beautiful country. There you are. Greece. Huh?
Yeah.
Cool.
We are in Greece, and then we're gonna swim in Greece, but maybe a little further.
Right, time to get the Turkish flag down and put the yellow flag up. There it comes. So when you go from one country to the next, take down the previous flag of the last country. Then you have to put up the quarantine flag until we are properly checked in to the next place. So that's the yellow one. That's what Jolene is doing now. And we'll check in when we get there. And after that we can put the Greek flag up. And there we are, entering the Bay of Padi, Greece. We'll take a bus to Symi and check in there. Should be good to enjoy then. Crazy, dreams coming through. 1 day before my birthday as well. Super, time to put this one up. Looks good, right? Happy days. Hoi mopjes.
Hallo.
Waar zijn we?
Kos.
Net aangekomen. Just arrived. Huh?
We are in
Just
Kos.
arrived. Super. Haha. Nice. We did it.
Yeah.
Headwind all the way? Well, actually no. The wind was quite nice. Very light mostly. Super duper. We're happy. We did it. Made it to Kos. Here we can provision and then go to the islands north of Kos. Should be amazing. And we can get a good SIM card for internet data to get connected again, get your videos up. Finally. It's been a bit late. They've been a bit late lately. Look at the sunrise. And yeah, I can't tell you how much we wished we would have sailed this bit. 50 miles. But yeah, impossible. And the wind was going to be headwind for at least the next 5-6 days. After that, no reliable forecast. So at least in the beginning, the first day when we were considering to go, the winds were light. So we said, okay, let's go for it. A motor trip. Anyway, we are in the MED. We are in the Med after all. Join us again next time as we start exploring the most beautiful islands of Greece on our sailing catamaran.